And happy Saturday. The time is 10:15 and all the rain is out of here. We are starting off with some cloudy skies, some peaks of sunshine, and today is going to be a fantastic start to the weekend and start to your carnival season. Temperatures this morning have been a bit chilly. We are in the 40s and now breaking into the lower 50s. And today we do stay on the cool side, so make sure you have the proper attire as you're celebrating the festivities going through today and tonight. Our high temperatures this afternoon will really only get into the middle, maybe upper 50s. So definitely a cool afternoon, and then a chilly night is on the way. We'll have a few clouds lingering through tonight as well. It will be a touch breezy throughout the course of your Saturday. Not too bad, with our low temperatures tomorrow morning dropping into the lower 40s on the South Shore and upper 30s north and west of the lake. So we do have somewhat of a cold start to Sunday, and Sunday brings another fantastic day to the weekend. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow. So clouds, we can't get rid of them this weekend, but at least we'll have peaks of sunshine in there. Tomorrow looks like another fantastic day. Just once again, we stay on that cool side. High temperatures tomorrow, mid-upper 50s once again. But then we have some big changes on the way early this week as this strong low pressure system traverses the entire country. We'll be seeing some big impacts from this on Monday, and a lot of our neighbors across the country will either be getting snow or severe weather, and we'll be getting the severe weather on Monday. At least it's a pretty high possibility that we'll see some stronger storms moving through. So here's a snapshot of Monday. In the morning, we'll be mostly dry throughout the early morning hours. Later in the morning, there can be some showers starting to pop up. Then we get into the afternoon, and here comes a batch of rain and storms. And there'll be some times of heavy rain, especially in the late afternoon and early evening. And that's our best window to see some strong to severe storms later in the afternoon through the early evening hours, and we'll get those steady and soaking downpours around, lasting for several hours during the day Monday, lasting into Monday night, and even into the overnight hours through early Tuesday morning. We'll still have some showers and storms around, but after early Tuesday morning, we'll be drying up the rest of the day. Looks like rainfall totals for Monday will be around 2 to 4 inches, though there can always, of course, be some locally higher amounts depending on how the storms kind of set up and move across the area. So if one spot sees multiple rounds of rain, you can deal with some street flooding. So that's certainly on the table as a possibility Monday. Kind of keep that in mind. We do have this risk, a 2 out of 4 risk to see some street flooding Monday. It's been consistent with that. So heavy rain and downpours, you know how some of our streets flood? Something to keep in mind for Monday. Also, we're still in this severe risk. Hasn't changed over the last couple of days. We're still in the slight risk, the level 2 out of 5 risk. So it looks like a few storms on Monday can give us those gusty winds up to 50, maybe 60 miles per hour. Also, we can't rule out a couple tornadoes. So some of the storms have the capacity to produce some rotation. Some isolated tornadoes are certainly possible during that late afternoon and evening time frame. We'll be watching closely for that, and a couple storms may also give us some small hail in addition to the heavy rain. So that'll be a busy weather day, and it's going to be breezy outside of any storm. So kind of a windy day as that strong system passes through. Our winds will be coming mostly from the east and southeast Monday. These are our sustained winds up to 25, 30 miles per hour. We could see gusts up to 40 miles per hour, especially strong at the coast, up to 45, maybe 50 along the coastline. Tuesday, as the system pulls away and we dry up as the day goes on, winds will come out of the west, but we still stay very windy on Tuesday. So we got 2 days of strong winds, but Monday is going to be probably the most active day when it comes to the rain, the storms, the possible street flooding, and the possible severe weather we'll be tracking throughout the entirety of Monday. But yeah, that breezy weather will stick around as we get into Tuesday. This weekend's going to be chilly and beautiful, warm on Monday. Temperatures near 70 degrees. And then Tuesday, we'll see much colder air moving in, 50s only. And we'll see some more rain and warm weather later next week.